Hi, I'm Samantha and I work with the Ontario Museum of History and Art, and today we're going to make Lizzie the Lizard. Hi, welcome back everyone. So to make Lizzie the Lizard, you're going to need scissors with your parents' permission, beads, any color that you like, and string, stretchy is good, and key rings so that you can put it on your bag. So you want your string to be twice as long as your lizard. Now that's hard to tell, but you want a good length. I'm going to do about that much. And sometimes we cut too much, and that's okay because we can tie on extra pieces. So next, you're going to do a slip knot. The tie right here, so you can go through there. That's going to put it on your key ring. That's where the nose of your lizard is going to go. So this part's kind of tricky, so you have to pay attention. So the first part, this little pointy nose, is going to be one bead. You're going to put it on one string, and take the other string, and you're going to put it in the opposite way. And then you're going to pull all the way to the bottom. And sometimes it won't be even. Just straighten it out. It's okay if it's not perfect. Like that. And we have our first bead on there. And next, we're gonna give him a little pointy nose, so we're gonna use two beads. This is one, and the second one. And again, we're gonna take the other string right here, and it's gonna go through both of those, like that. Pull it through, all the way to the top. Now the next part is going to be with his eyes. So, we're gonna use a different color. I'm gonna use black, but he can have any color you'd like. You want him to have blue eyes, yellow eyes, pink eyes, whatever color you'd like. So I'm gonna use three beads. So one black, that's one eye, and then the green one, and then another black one, so that's three. So we have them all on one string, one eye, and then the middle of his face and the other eye, and we're gonna push it straight through to the other side. Sometimes it's a little wobbly. And all the way through, and oh, he has eyes now. Look at that. And now he needs a neck, I think. Lizards have necks. Maybe. I haven't looked at a lizard in a long time. But here we go. So we're gonna do two. And then we're gonna go, oh, I'm a little shaky, there we go. And there's his head. And the string is not gonna wanna stay straight. It's gonna wanna come apart, but that's okay. The more beads that you add, the more tension, which means that it'll stay in place. So after that, do part of his body. I'm gonna go with three beads, but you can make him whatever size you'd like. If you want him to be really wide or really thin, or if you want a snake, you can make it a snake. Whatever you'd like. I'm just gonna make a lizard. This is his body. Now, lizards have arms. So we're gonna do the arms. So it's a little bit more difficult. So we're gonna add one, two, that's the arm part, and we're gonna do his fingers too. So he's gonna have three fingers, I think. One, two, three. Now this part, we are not going to add this string into there. We're not gonna do that this time. We're gonna put his three fingers on one side, and we're gonna take the two for his arm, and we're only going back with the same string into the two. And we're gonna pull. And sometimes his fingers are not gonna be straight. You go like that, and there's an arm. We're gonna do the same thing on the other. So now, we do the rest of his body. You can see on this Lizzie right here, I gave him 1, 2, 3 parts for his body. So you can do 3 rows, or you can make him a really long lizard, give him more than 3 rows if you want. But I'm gonna go a little bit quicker with this part, because you guys already have seen how to do it. So just a reminder, for the body and the head. We are gonna do 3, and we're gonna use both strings. So it's different than the arms. Both strings. And we're gonna pull, like that. So. There we go. 1, 2, 3. And you can make a lot of different animals too. It doesn't have to be a lizard. You can make a snake. You can make Pac-Man. You can make all kinds of fun things. As long as you figure out how to do this first, you can make anything. All right, so I think this is the last part of Lizzie's body that I'm gonna do. And the next part is gonna be his back legs. Unless you only want him to have 2 arms, that's okay too. There are lizards that only have 2 arms. But this Lizzie is gonna have some back legs. So there's that, and then there's that. And you can make the tail as long as you'd like. Right now he looks a little silly. He's got a little pointy tail. There we go. So cut off the string at the end if you want. There's your lizard. Now you can hook him onto your backpack or your lunchbox, or you can give him to your friends. And that's how you make Lizzie the lizard.